maybe we had a huge spike last month in our support ticketing tool, and there's thousands of tickets for me to have to go to figure out why it is we got that spike. And by putting in a prompt like Rick had mentioned and using research mode, I can ask Guru to please investigate why Zendesk ticket volume spiked. And when I do that, as Rick had mentioned, in research mode, the knowledge agent will generate a research plan. It will list out a series of steps and explain what it's going to do. So it's going to search for certain things. It's going to provide a comprehensive overview. It's going to create certain sections. I can make sure each aspect of my research report that I want as an output is there. And if I like this plan, I'm going to go ahead and say, great, start our research. Now, because we're going through hundreds and hundreds of records here, this isn't going to be as instantaneous as we saw previously when we were just engaging with Guru Chat. It may take 5 to 10 minutes for this to generate. And as much as I'd love to play Taylor Swift for 5 or 10 minutes and have us all jam, instead I will go to a previously run research report for this same query so you can see what it looks like. So before we hopped on the call here, I ran, if I scroll all the way up to the top, long one, please investigate why the Zendesk ticket volume spiked. And then this is the report that Guru returned. It gives us an overview of volume and patterns related to timing, any particular abnormalities that we saw throughout this ticket investigation. What's the general volume behavior? And then something actionable, right? As a leader, I need to take action to make sure that this spike doesn't happen in the future. So it identifies potential causes for this ticket volume spike. Um, and I won't go through every single one of these, but you can kind of skim as I'm scrolling down here. It gives me an analysis, and it'll finish up with a conclusion. And as always, data transparency is so important to us. It will link all of the cited tickets that we are using to generate this report. So this is super powerful. I mean, this is just an example of maybe a support leader trying to figure out, again, why volume spiked, whether it's due to seasonality or a bug or some sort of issue. But the use cases go on and on. There are so many that I think this is really going to be an unlock for.
Unfiltered office hours, asking